Hey everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica.
I'm John.
And today I asked John to join me to unbox the December Target beauty boxes. So they did actually put out a men's and a women's box this month.
Yes, they did.
So
I just want to comment that the men's box is smelly, very piney.
we already did take the plastic off, so we can go ahead and get started. You want to open it up like this so we can see what's all in it? So there's going to be a card in here, which it is. I'm going to take the card out.
Mine's red and green, like
And
Christmas.
mine is stinky now, too. That is what mine looks like.
Okay. This is what mine looks like.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and read my card, the back of my card.
Ooh.
It says, Hello Glow, parched skin, dull complexion, chapped lips. They're like describing what my skin's like right now. Does the winter weather have your face singing the blues? Luckily, with the help of a few power products, looking your most radiant is easier than you think. Inside this box, you'll find a few of our faves that'll work to restore your glow pronto. Try them out, and if you like them, check out target.com/beautybox. So looks like there's 6 products in here, and I do have the $3 off of $15 purchase. So what does yours say?
Hello, handsome. You may have your grooming routine down pat, fellas, but during the dreary winter months, why not up your game? Whether skin is begging for a little bit more moisture or you're just in need of a fresh new scent, we've got you covered. Inside this box, you'll find a few of our faves that keep you looking and feeling your most handsome all season long. Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, find the full-size versions at target.com/beautybox.
Yep. And every once in a while, they do put out a men's box as well as their standard box.
And I have 6 as well.
Okay.
And a $3 off coupon.
$15 purchase, right?
15, yes.
Yeah. So anyway, they do normally put out a men's box around June for like Father's Day, at Christmas time, and usually like once or twice else throughout the year. It's usually at least 3 throughout the year that I have you do these with me.
Sounds good.
Somewhere in there. So anyway, I think what we're going to do is go ahead and just pull one item out, let you know what it is, and then John will pull one item out and let you know what it is, and we'll go back and forth for this. Does that sound good?
Sounds good.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and pull the largest, at least, package out. And this is a coconut and lime bath bomb from Me Bath is what it looks like. There is the packaging. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and read to you what the card says about this. It's the Me Bath Coconut and Lime Bath Bomb. Indulge your skin with yummy ingredients that help soften and smooth while you bathe, revealing a radiant glow. There is a hint. It says, for especially dry skin, add a few drops of your favorite essential oils into your bath to help soothe a dull, irritated complexion. Now, I've said it on this channel before. We have 2 bathrooms in our house. The master bath does not actually have a bathtub, and the second bath does, but I don't normally use that because my sons use that bathroom. So I'm not going to use this. I'm going to actually put this in my giveaway drawer, and one of you guys will get it sometime in the future. I'm going to go ahead and pull from yours.
All right. And following with the big theme, I pulled out Harry's Body Wash. And I will read
There you go.
this.
This is what the packaging looks like. There it goes. Okay.
Harry's Shisho.
Shisho? I don't know.
Body Wash. Gentle ingredients cleanse deeply without stripping the skin of natural oils, leaving it feeling smooth and conditioned long after you shower. Formulated with herbs for a refreshing, crisp scent.
Does it have a safety seal?
Ow! It bit me. No, I don't think so. I don't want to wear this stuff.
No safety seal.
No.
All right, what am I going to pull out? I think I'm going to go ahead and pull out the mask. There's a mask in here. This is from K Bella Professional. It is a plumping gold peel-off mask. So here is the packaging. Okay. And this is the K Bella Professional Plumping Gold Peel-Off Mask. Rich combination of sodium hyaluronate and antioxidant properties help reduce fine lines and draw out impurities, making skin appear plumper, firmer, and smoother. All right.
Okay.
You're up.
I'm up. I'm going to go with something that's sort of curious to me. There you go.
Okay. Okay.
Crest Gum Detoxify Toothpaste. Cooling activated foam helps penetrate hard to reach areas for clinically proven healthier gums and a refreshing clean.
There you go.
So apparently this detoxifies your gums.
Sounds good.
Interesting, anyway.
All right, what do I want to pull out next? I think I'm going to pull out the next largest thing. This is from Dove. It is an intensive repair shampoo for dry, damaged hair. And they did put the little tape around it to keep it from spilling all over the box, which is always nice to have in here. So there it is. This is the Dove Nutritive Solutions Intensive Repair Shampoo. Nutri-Keratin Repair Actives restore damaged deep inside hair and help protect strands over time so locks look lush, strong, and silky smooth. Your turn.
I'm going to pick out the thing that I was trying to put back together while you were talking. Apparently,
Okay.
this is... Oops.
Okay.
We'll put it back in this little thing.
So here it is. Okay. So what is it?
This is Cremo Bourbon and Oak Solid Cologne. Masculine notes of oak and bourbon essence compact into a concentrated balm for easy on-the-go application anywhere, anytime.
Whew.
To
That's what it
make
looks
your
like.
scent last longer, apply to warm pulse points such as wrists, inside elbows, and the neck. So apparently this is the stuff that I have been smelling.
Yeah.
I've never heard of. I mean, obviously, you used to have this like solid antiperspirant deodorant.
Deodorant, yeah.
I've never
This
heard
is
of.
solid cologne.
I've never heard of solid cologne.
That's interesting.
It is.
It's nice and travel friendly.
It is travel friendly.
So you don't have to bring like a spray or cologne.
No, and that's I'll probably use that actually.
That's kind of nice. You could bring that to work. Leave it at work.
Couldn't.
Yeah. All right, let's go with this one right here. This is from Bliss. It's the Lemon and Sage Body Butter Maximum Moisture Cream, and it has a safety seal, so that's pretty cool. Here's what the packaging looks like. Okay. So this is the Bliss Lemon and Sage Body Butter. It's rich, quick absorbing moisturizer, leaves parched skin hydrated and supremely soft. And there's a trick to get hands or feet even softer. Apply a layer of body butter before bed, then cover with socks or gloves to lock in hydration overnight. I've never tried that. Maybe I'll have to try that on the bottoms of my feet. The soles of my feet get very dry in the winter as well. So maybe I'll have to give that a try. Maybe not with this moisturizer, but maybe with something else. I don't know. I'm curious as to what lemon and sage smells like, but I'm not going to open that right now because it does have a safety seal, which I do like. So, all right, your turn.
Okay. Sure, why not? I have. Oops. I think this is not the first time I've had this, by the way.
I don't think so either. Target has a tendency to send a lot of repeat products. This is what it looks like. Okay.
Okay, that is Dove Men Plus Care Body Wash Minerals and Sage. Specifically designed for men's skin with micro moisture technology, which is clinically proven to help fight dryness better than regular men's body wash.
Smells good.
Wonderful.
All right, 2 more things for each of us, I believe. I'm going to go ahead and pull this out right here. This is a Pond's Cold Cream makeup remover, and it's in a little tub like that. Okay.
Is it sealed?
No, it's not sealed.
Oh, it smells. That smells like a flower?
A little bit, I think. Okay, so this is the Pond's Cold Cream. Perfect blend of oil and water removes all traces of makeup and improves skin's moisture, texture, and smoothness, all in one step. And it's a bonus. Use as a mask. Lather it onto your face. Let sit, then rinse off. Hello, fresh face. I'll have to give that a try.
There you go.
I'll have to give that a try. So, yeah, I actually do. I think I have one of these already, but I'm going to give this a try.
Okay.
Your turn.
I'm going to go with the fairly unique. Go ahead, put that
Yeah,
up.
there's a 3-pack of, like, so it's like a 3-pack of foil packs. Okay, so what is this?
Bulldog Skincare Sachet. Sachet Perforated Trio. Original moisturizer, face wash, and shave gel are formulated with a soothing blend of aloe vera,
Camelina,
camelina, and oil, and green tea, which leaves skin fresh and hydrated. No artificial colors, synthetic fragrances, or animal ingredients.
That's pretty cool.
Yes.
That's pretty cool.
Bulldog. Apparently there's a face wash, shave gel, and moisturizer.
Okay. I have one more thing. This is from Dr. Teal's. It's a pink Himalayan salt scrub. John actually likes salt scrubs, and it does have a safety seal on it, so that's pretty nice.
Probably should give that away then.
And this is the Restore and Plenish with pure Epsom salts and essential oils.
There you go.
That is what the package looks like. Okay. And the card says the Dr. Teal's Pink Himalayan Body Scrub, mineral-rich pink Himalayan salt and pure Epsom salt exfoliate and smooth, while shea butter and jojoba oil leave skin supple. That actually smells really nice. It sounds really nice. After scrubbing, apply body lotion to seal in moisture. Okay.
All right. Just read the Hello Handsome line again.
One more item for you.
Yes.
That is what it looks like. Okay.
That is Degree for Men, black and white, ultra clear antiperspirant. A unique formula prevents yellow stains on white clothes and white marks on black, while giving you long-lasting protection.
And it is a spray antiperspirant.
It's a spray antiperspirant. That's nice.
Okay. All right. So let's recap what is all in our boxes. These are $7 each, by the way, in case I didn't mention that, which I think is a good price. So in mine, I have a face mask, a bath bomb, a Pond's cold cream, a body scrub, a body butter, and a shampoo. Not bad. I prefer to get shampoo and conditioner together when I do get something like that, but still it's not bad. So, and I've gotten just conditioner before, which, you know, that is what it is. I also do prefer to get at least some piece of makeup, which I do not have any makeup this month in this box, but it seems like most boxes are actually getting away from makeup, which makes me kind of sad. That's the whole reason why I like subscription boxes, is because it has makeup and it gives me products that I haven't tried before, which I guess in this one, I've tried Dove shampoo. I used to use it when I was a kid. I don't use it anymore. And I've used Pond's. Other than that, I haven't tried any of these products. So I definitely have a lot of new products to try. And your box?
Oh, yeah. Excuse me. My box has... Oops, let's see if I can get it to not fall over. I have body wash, antiperspirant, toothpaste, cologne, body wash, and a body wash moisturizer trio pack.
Yeah.
Probably, I would definitely use toothpaste because I like my teeth. I will definitely, this cologne, this solid cologne seems interesting. I'll probably give the body wash to the boys, this stuff to the boys. I might try this body wash. Mm-hmm. These little packs, I mean, I probably would burn through in, you know,
one use.
One use, so tonight.
Two max, so.
Yeah. So, I mean,
for $7, I don't think it's a bad value.
$7 for this probably is a pretty good deal.
Yeah.
And then, like Jessica indicated, this is sort of a neat, solid cologne concept. I might actually get behind and like.
Yeah.
I don't feel that my gums are toxic. So, I mean, I don't know how I'm going to relate to the Crest, but I've used Crest before. I have
but
sprayed
it's toothpaste.
Yeah, it's toothpaste. I've sprayed myself with Degree. I've sprayed I've used Dove. I think Harry's the only time I ever use is when it comes in these boxes. Mm-hmm. Bulldog I've never heard of, but I
haven't either.
I'm now sort of interested in only because it's a Bulldog. So.
Well, anyway, that is the Target His and Hers boxes for December. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already and you would like to be, please hit that red subscribe button. We do open this every month. It's typically only one box or two women's boxes. Of course, any gender can choose to buy it if you'd like. But anyway, it's either usually one or two boxes a month. This month they decided to do like a His and Hers. And so if you like this box, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, or go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can come back and see it next month, and the month after that, and the month after that, and the month after that. And don't forget to hit the little bell to notify you when I do upload new videos. I also have recently started my own online boutique. It's called Niminies.com. The link is in the description below, so if you're curious, please don't hesitate to check that out. And go ahead and leave any comments you might have in the comment section down below. I do respond to every comment. I'm usually a few days behind, but I do try to respond to every single comment that I do receive.
And yeah.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye.